T-piece with a plug and a Schroeder valve is located in the flow to the collector. The purpose of this is to allow us to commission the closed circuit system after installation, so that we can pressure test the fittings to make sure that the complete closed circuit jacket is watertight and has no leakage in it. As I mentioned before, we use glycol in the closed circuit system. It's got a very low surface tension, which means if you had a eyedropper of water and to drop it onto a table or a flat surface, it would sphere up into a very nice round ball. However, with glycol added to it, what will happen is it will flatten out, and it will be able to get through any small opening or faulty connection that you would have in the complete system. Now, on this system, we have quite a few connections. We're using brass olives, 22mm engineered brass olives. These are very good for high temperature, obviously, but they also have very good sealing properties, which we like to use on these, and we have been using for over 15 years. They're excellent for the use of sealing glycol, but there's so many fittings on there, and you do need to make sure you've got them all torqued up and tensioned correctly. So what we add to this system is this pre-engineered pressure kit, which allows us to put a push bike pump onto the Schroeder valve here. You can see it's just a standard valve which you see in a push bike or a car tyre. We put a push bike pump onto that, and through the system being sealed, after we've got fluid in there, we can then just add a little bit of pressure, and that would take us up to the desired set temperature, set pressure that we want to check that everything's sealed and correctly fixed. Now, we'll show you a little bit more about it later, but I thought this would be a good time to show you what this device is when you're now getting it installed and putting it together for the preparing for the commissioning.